Hey guys, a few weeks ago I got approached by this company called Touch Radiance, and they are a skincare company. They are black owned and they are local from Montreal, so that's always a plus. And they sent me these products that are amazing, guys. Like, I'm in love. There's the mist for the face. You have the sweet like mango body butter, which is amazing, and they sent me a serum for the face to keep the moisture in. So today I will show you guys how I'm using these products and the instant results that I get whenever I use them, and hopefully this will help you guys so you can go and support and buy from them and, you know, make your choices better. So I started off on a freshly washed face, but first I had to figure out which skin type I had, and guys, let me tell you, my face is dry. Sorry about that, you know my cat won't let me live. So I'm started off with the Bedew Mist, which is from the Hydrate collection, and it's made out of aloe vera juice, green tea, and floral water. It's really great to hydrate the face. Then I followed with the Drizzle Serum, which is also from the Hydrate collection. They recommend to shake it in order to mix in all the oils together. And then I apply it on my face. I'm trying not to use too much so that my face doesn't get too oily. But guys, I really love the feel on my face. It's really smooth. And it smells amazing also. I don't know why I keep on saying amazing, but that's all that comes to mind whenever I use these products. Now I get why they call themselves Touch Radiance, because look at my skin. It really radiates like, yo, I really love it. So now I'm going to use the Sweet Like Mango butter on my skin. It's made out of mango butter but also contains shea butter, and look at this, it really melts as soon as you put it on your skin, and also it smells great. And there you go, my hands are moisturized, my face is moisturized, like, yo, I'm really loving these products. I'm going to put their information down below, and they will also activate a promo code called EDUCATEDNatural15 that will give you 15% off. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and hit that bell button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Seriously. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I guess I will see you in the next video. Bye!